Your product page is where browsers become buyers, so it needs to work. In this tutorial, we'll build one in Foxify in just a few minutes, no code needed. Let's dive in. A great product page has a few key parts: product details at the top, supporting info in the middle, and cross-sells at the bottom. Let's build a similar page using Foxify. Start by creating a new product template. Here we choose to build from scratch, but you can also pull up one of Foxify's pre-built templates or generate one with AI for inspiration. This saves time and gives us a solid foundation to work from. Now, let's customize our product page. For the main section, we'll add the product details elements. Here we will assign a product to this template so we can preview our changes in real time. But you can absolutely do this anytime. And if you want this layout to apply to every product in your store, you can publish it as your default template. First, we will decide on the media layout we like. For example, this grid mix layout stacks one large hero image on top with smaller thumbnails below, giving the gallery a clean, editorial feel. On the right side, add the vendor element to display the brand name above the title, great for building brand recognition. Below that, adjust the product title so it fits the column while making a strong first impression. Next is the price element. If your product is on sale, Foxify automatically shows the sale price, the original crossed-out price, and a sale badge, no extra setup needed. For the variant picker, switch it to button style, cleaner, more visual, and easier to use on mobile. We will place the description right below the price, so customers get the key details before they decide. Finally, add any supporting info you need, like a shipping policy or an image element with your accepted payment icons. Small touches, but they build trust right where it matters most. With the main section done, let's build out the rest of the page. Foxify has a library of pre-designed sections, so there's nothing to build from scratch. Just browse, pick what fits, and drop it in. Product detail tabs, customer reviews, featured promotions, related products, all ready to go. And that's your product page, built in Foxify, in minutes, no code needed. If you want to see how real stores do it, check out our Build for Success series, where we recreate product pages from brands like Olaplex, Sniff, and more, built entirely in Foxify. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.